outside of the house of Analia Jane. Inside, kitchen. Inyo ham ng kurente na. They have own electric supplies. Tubig. We have Analia Jane have own water supplies and electric supplies. Kitchen. Restroom of Analia Jane. Also the bathroom. CR and the bathroom also. They have own water supplies. Analia Jane area where sleep at night. And they have 2 ceiling fans. Okay. Pila mo kabuhok sa sa kabalay? 7. 7?
5 months na kang nagsuon.
Imo dayong lula.
So sa iyang kuan kanang anak babae nagkuan star kay mao may tiglog.
Pero kamo ra gid dire sa kabalay. Pero wala gid siya dire nagkuan stay. 7 ra mo kamo. 7 family member, then mother, father, siblings 5. Gikuan imong mga siblings gikan sa first child hangtod sa 5.
Edad?
Kanang ilangan edad niya. Kuan kanang grade nila.
My older brother is 16 years old and he is at grade 10. And I am the second born. I am 13 years old and I am at grade 8. And I have a younger brother, 10 years old, and he is at grade 5. And my younger brother, he is 4 years old, and at the
Nursery din.
And the youngest one is 3 years old.
Then, kuan kanang work si mong father.
My father is work as a merchandiser.
Pila kayang monthly income, mother?
Mga 10 kapin.
Ah.
Kaya kuan man siya minimum.
10,000 a month. Then, ikaw, mother is no work, only in the house. Housewife. Dili sa kaning balaya, dili ninyo, ha? Gi ikaw. Ansay?
This house is not our house because this house is my grandmother's house.
Nya, gipapuyo ka mo.
We just lived here.
Then, kapisamida lang Korean sponsors. Korean sponsor. Kana saya imong bugas o kuan, itlog. Ara lang. Ano lang lingkod.
It's only the Korean sponsors.
20 kg rice, then 30 pieces eggs. Bye-bye. Third.
My father's name is Francisco Hake Jr. and
Age.
44 years old. My mother is Lizelle Haka and she is 36 years old.
Thank you.